Introducing Auralia and Musition 6, the world's most powerful ear training and music theory programs. Whether you're an educator, budding rock star, classical performer, improviser or composer, you have all the tools you need to learn, teach, engage and inspire. Learn music fundamentals with topics like rhythm reading, interval recognition and dictation. Learn to identify the chords in your favourite song. Expand your understanding of chromatic harmony. Work faster and smarter with immediate feedback, automatically marked worksheets, and integrated syllabi and courses. All delivered with high-quality audio recordings, notation, and images. There's no limit to what you can learn or teach with Auralia and Musition. Create custom worksheets, assignments, and courses. Import your own audio and notation. Create questions that meet your curriculum needs. Students can learn the same skills that professional musicians use every day. Access Auralia and Musition on phones, tablets, and Chromebooks. You can improve your skills anywhere, anytime. It's simple and really fun. There's a cloud plan for everyone, so whether you're just starting out, an experienced educator, or a seasoned pro, Auralia and Musition 6 provide everything you need for your musical journey.